Good morning, good morning, good morning everybody. Maganda pa kayo sa umaga, gwapo pa kayo sa umaga. Kamusta kayo ngayong maulang umaga na to? And I'd like to say, kahit makulimlim, let's carry our own weather, ika nga, and stay happy and cheerful. And it's a good day. It's a beautiful day. So, smile naman dyan. Yung mga sambako lang mukha, umaga pa lang. And hello din sa mga galing sa night shift at nagpapaantok. I'm Edna. I'm your friend here. And this morning, kikwentuhan ko lang kayo ng property pick of the day ko. Actually, picks of the day. Kwento ko sa inyo yung lote sa Metropolis Greens. It's 203 square meters. Residential lot siya and it's along the main road. And ang maganda dito sa lote na to ay una, malapit siya sa lahat. It's very accessible. Kasi paglabas mo ng Metropolis, nandun na yung Walter Mart Manggahan, nandun na yung Genstar, nandun na yung McDonald's, and then may mga other establishments doon. Yung favorite natin na Jollibee nandun din, and Burger King, and then gas stations, and of course yung ating mahal na Lyceum of the Philippines University Cavite campus. So it's there. And nalalakad naman from the lot papunta sa labasan kasi nga nasa main road lang siya. And mura talaga to, guys. If you're going to hello, good morning. If you're going to check it out, again, it's 203 square meters and a little less than 3M. Mura na po yun, guys, kasi ang mga lote ngayon usually sa area na yan ay nagre-range na from 13,000 to 18,000 per square meters. Samantalang ito for 203 square meters, a little less than 3M. So, instead of keeping your money in the bank, why not try land banking? Land banking means nag-i-invest ka sa lote na nag-a-appreciate ang value. And if in the future, gusto mo siyang ibenta, nag-appreciate na siya. So, that's what's beautiful about putting your investment